Come to Direct Watch Factory for wholesale shopping. If you buy from EasyLine.com, you will get business discount from our factory. Our company, Guangzhou Basali Watch, was established in 2016 as a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company. We have been in the watch business for 4 years and specialize in producing all kinds of watches. Guangzhou Basali Watch Co. Limited has a total investment of $5 million, and its plant area is more than 2,000 square meters. We have rich experience in making watches and can provide our customers with the best service regardless of payment or customs clearance. So far, we have cooperated with some brands. For example, Naviforce, Winner, Longbow, Kurin, Skme, Kurju. We can also provide the best price. We are famous for high quality, competitive price, first-class craftsmanship, safe package, and fast delivery. Therefore, we can fully meet your demands and have a large customer base. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including watch assembly machine, waterproof tester, dust-free workshop. Our products sell well in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Singapore, Japan, Australia, Switzerland, Italy, Saudi, Russia, Ukraine, Japan. In addition to our own products, we provide OEM services and also accept customized orders. We have developed designs for our customers in United Kingdom, Germany, and our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply many good products with diversified designs and professional services. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. EasyLine.com looks forward to receiving your inquiries soon.